just trying to get some last-minute votes before we pack everything in. I'm Tim Hull, and I'm running for vice president of ASCSU.
Tim!
Were you expecting this when you came out?
No, absolutely not. I thought there was going to be some light snow on the ground in the morning, and then it would clear up, but I was very much mistaken. We kind of made a truce to pack it in. They're just waiting for their truck. We're waiting for our truck to throw all our stuff in. So we just happen to have the last guys out, but you know we're all packing it in. It hurts because we only have so long to campaign, so we need to get as many people in contact with us as possible. But you know, if it keeps people safe, then I'm all for it.
My name's Sydney Elbogan. I'm a sophomore, and my major is Spanish and International Studies. I'm excited. I mean, it's always good when class gets canceled. It's a nice break. I'm gonna go home and make lunch and probably do some homework.